3/4 of the world's surface is covered by water, but of that water, 98% of it is saline. If we can remove the salt or reduce the salt within that water, then we can use it. Arup is at the forefront of desalination technology. We've worked on some of the largest reverse osmosis projects in the world. For us, it's understanding how much energy we use and optimising the process to ensure we get a sustainable solution.
The services we offer vary from concept design through to detailed technical due diligences. We look at solutions which are going to balance technology and sustainability, and also look at the commercialisation of the byproducts.
Significant work goes into understanding, okay, how sensitive is that marine environment to the brine discharge. We build a dispersion model covering the marine environment that we're looking at, and then we simulate the brine released into that environment and what the impact of that brine is. So effectively we understand what the long-term concentration changes are.
Desalination is a process of removing the salt from the solutions. In a typical reverse osmosis process, the water will be abstracted and pressurized to the treatment system. Afterwards, the fresh water will be remineralized and disinfected to meet the public health purposes.
Arup has a breadth of experience in desalination, from small local schemes to major international schemes.
We have an established track record in Australia. We're responding to a developing market in East Asia. We're currently working on one of the largest seawater reverse osmosis plants in the world, and that's in the Middle East. And now in Africa, we're working on an inland hypersaline water project.
The future for desalination is very strong because the demand for water is only going to increase. Reduced power consumption and reduced capital costs will make desalination available to the emerging economies and the poorer citizens of the world, the ones that are really in need of wholesome, good quality water supply.
We've got over 850 people around the world in our water skills network. We have specialist expertise in all areas of water resources, water supply and water treatment.
We can actually provide our clients with that objective advice that looks across the whole of the life cycle of the project.
If you fully understand the process and the chemistry, you can meet that challenge and create opportunity. That's opportunity for communities, for industry and for agriculture. So the solutions we come up with, they're innovative, they're sustainable, but fundamentally they exceed our clients' expectations.